choke is an inductor used to block higher frequency while passing through direct current and lower frequencies of alternating current in an electrical circuit. Its name comes from blocking or choking higher frequencies while passing through low frequencies. The terms choke, reactor, and inductor are often used interchangeably when talking about motor drive systems. A choke is usually installed between the output of the servo drive or variable frequency drive and the terminals of the servo motor or AC induction motor. Its primary function is to resist any change of electric current through a coil or wire and reduce current peaks that happen at the drive output due to pulse width modulation of the voltage. Chokes usually consist of a coil of insulated wire mounted on a magnetic core. The choke's impedance, or its measure of opposition presented to a current when voltage is applied, increases with frequency. Cables also possess impedance, and problems such as reflective waves may arise when long cables are used between the drive and the motor. A choke is a solution to these issues because they extend the rise time of the drive signals. Drive manufacturers typically recommend a max motor cable length of around 25 meters to reduce the possibility of reflective waves. With a motor choke added, cable length can be extended up to 100 meters. For more information and other tech tips, visit us at galco.com.